Okay, so do you guys remember going on first dates, you know, all nervous, telling yourself, like, just be you, make them love you for you, like, you're enough. In this relationship with Facebook gaming and specifically live streaming, you're not enough. Yeah, you on camera playing video games is not going to cut it. What are you going to do to stand out, to add on to what AWOL says? That's the only thing that you need to be focusing on right now. What are you doing that's different from the person streaming the exact same game at the exact same time? Well, I'm funny. No one cares. Well, I'm better at video games than him. No one cares. Funny is not unique. Being good at video games is not unique. So what can you do that is unique? Doing the same thing over and over and waiting for it to work is like eating pizza every day and waiting to lose weight. You don't have to be funnier. You don't have to be better at playing. You just have to be better at adapting. And that is your 2021 goal. Adapt, because there are so many good channels out there that find growth. They think they found the winning formula and they stop adapting. And then their channel dies very, very quickly. The name of the game is not to be better than other people. It's not to be funnier. The name of the game is to adapt faster, to take what other people are doing and make it your own and make it better. And being able to relate that, even when you're having the most success that you've ever had, adapt. Stop thinking. Stop asking yourself, what can I do to be unique? You have to start trying stuff right now. You have to be willing to fail, to be different. And maybe that one time, maybe on the 10,000th fail, you know, maybe it'll work, but you have to be willing to do it. Stop thinking, adapt. That's your goal for 2021.